This is problem number 22 from the June 2015 Algebra Regents exam. So we've got a pattern of blocks here, and it says if the pattern of blocks continues, which formulas could be used to determine the number of blocks in the nth term? So to figure this out, it might be helpful to start, it might be helpful to start by creating a table of values. And we're going to compare the term number to the number of blocks. Okay, so looking at the first one, the first term has 2 blocks. The second term has, looks like 4 more, so 6. And then the third one has 4 more again, so 10. And the fourth one will be 14. So taking a look at the possible answers here, in option number 1, you might instinctively think, oh, that makes sense, n plus 4, because it's increased by 4 each time. But this implies that the number of blocks is always 4 more than the term number, and clearly that's not true, right? From 1 to 2 or 3 to 10, it's not always 4 more. So it's definitely not option number 1. Now let's take a look at option number 2. It says that a1 is equal to 2, and we know that's true. The first term does have 2 blocks. And then it says a of n is equal to a of n minus 1 plus 4, meaning each term, the number of blocks, is the amount in the previous term plus 4. And that's correct, because as we can see, even just looking at the drawing, each term is getting 4 more blocks than the one before it. So that one is correct. And then the third one, we can test to see if this is true using these values in our table here. It says a sub n is equal to 4n minus 2. So for example, is the fourth term, which has 14 blocks, so it'll be 14, is that equal to 4 times 4 minus 2? And it is. 16 minus 2 is 14. And we can even test that out with one more. Let's try it with 3 and 10. Is 10 equal to 3 times 4 minus 2? And it is. So we've proven that both 2 and 3 are correct formulas. So this means option 3 is our correct answer. All right, thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.